Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 on how to grow store-bought ginger. So in this video, I will share with you on how to encourage the root formation on your ginger. If you haven't watched the part 1 on how to grow store-bought ginger of this video, I will put the link in the description box below. So the first thing that you can use to encourage your ginger root formation is by using onion. So onion has been traditionally known as the poor man rooting hormone. So this onion has been used traditionally to help encourage the root formation on plants such as ginger, turmeric, and potatoes, and also has been used in cutting and also in a layering. So the use of onion in encouraging the root formation on ginger is not a scientifically proven technique, but it is a traditionally proven technique that works in encouraging the root formation on ginger. Now, another method that you can use to help encourage the root formation of ginger is by making an onion solution. So the onion solution is made by using a small onion with a mix of 1 gallon of water. Now, the third method that you can use on how to encourage the root formation on ginger is by using water. So we will put a wet paper towel on the bottom and on the top of this ginger, and I will share with you the result of this method. Now for the wetting game, if you are doing this in the summer, you can keep this container in the pantry. But if you are doing this in the winter, I suggest you keep it in a closet which has a warmer temperature, but make sure they are in a dark place. Now, as you can see, the ginger that we grow this way may look very pale. This is because they didn't receive any light. But after you get them ready in the pot and put it under the light, they will turn green and grow as usual. Now that our ginger has root on them, it's time to put them in the soil. Now I'm using this seed starting mix, and I like the ingredient on this seed starting mix because it appears to be more light and airy, and I know that ginger will appreciate this because their roots are very fragile at this moment, and we don't want to shock them by breaking their fragile root while we pot them up.